It says on Friday, oh, I need my glasses. 150 people went to see Ode to Algebra performed in the school auditorium. Both C children and A adults attended the performance. So they said make an equation, so that's why I put an equal sign down. And I know that my equation's going to have an A in it and a C in it because they said both C and A adults attended the performance. I also know that I'm going to have 150 in my equation because that number appears in my situation. So any ideas?
Well, I put down C plus 8, so from 15.
Well, that's perfect, yeah. So it probably was confusing because it's simpler than anything that we did in class, right? So you're probably thinking you did it wrong or something, but it was right. And let's go ahead and do B. All I know is it's an equation, so it has to have an equal sign. And it says the cost of a new CD is $14.95 and the cost of a video game is $39.95. Wade spent $84.84 on C CDs and V video games. So I know I'm going to have those three numbers in my equation, and I'm going to have some letters. I'm going to have a C and a V. Any ideas from that one? We're just doing the very first problem. If you just walked in, we're doing the first problem of your homework. So, we're right here. Whoa, we're right here in the book. And there's the problem. So, nobody has any ideas about what to do with the numbers and the letters? Because it wants us to write an equation. I think I love that. I'm going to write it all down, and then we'll just go back and check. I think that sounds right to me. We'll go back and check and make sure it makes sense. But yes, because $14.95, I didn't leave enough room. $14.95, and then we wanted to use the letter C for CDs. Yep. And then $39.99 times V. Yeah, that looks perfect, and it makes sense because this says $14.95 times however many CDs plus $39.99 times however many videos is all going to add up to that much money. Now we're not asked to solve it, we're just asked to write the equation. So, and we actually couldn't solve it unless they gave us a little bit more information. So that's great. That was 6-49. These things are on